John, having completed your Mesa Boogie 290 stereo power amp with great aplomb, look that up. We're now moving on to your Triaxis. And this is where I actually say, good job, Mesa. Let's get a little flyover here. I think this is where Mesa kind of shines, and I'll be honest with you. Because we're looking at 1992. Fabulous year, I'm led to believe. And around this time, ADA were still making the MP1 preamps, though they probably moved on to the MP2. Maybe the classic was in the works. And the Achilles heel of that particular platform, and there were many, was mainly the touchscreen. A bespoke piece of electronics interface that, if it went down, only the manufacturer would be able to repair it unless you were an incredibly gifted engineering sort. But Mesa, no sarcasm intended here. I give credit where it's due. Actually, it has some replaceable parts on the interface, which is really nice. And come on, look at that. And I'm seeing a lot of things that I like here. So I will send you an update when I'm finished. There's a little noise that I haven't really noticed in the other units that I've worked on. And to be completely fair, I've worked on 4 of these, so it's not like I've done dozens and dozens. And I probably see one or two of these things a year, along with like the Marshall JMP1 and the ADAs. So for any of you guys who are ADA owners and you're thinking, let me send it to him, while I do that, Marshall JMP from the ADA Depot has sent people my way. I have to operate off of donor units, and I'm fresh out. I literally have a chassis cover left and a couple of input jacks, and I have to check my stash, but that's about it. I have loaned out my last remaining functional MP1 to an individual, and I need to reclaim it. So maybe I'll end up parting that poor guy out, because it's really better that I donate the body to science and have dozens of MP1 users running about spreading the love and glory that is the MP1 than me, who's not even performing anymore, just having a functional unit sitting in a recording rack. See that empty space right there? And I'm not even using it. So what's the point? So, okay, we'll get this thing going. I'll probably send an update, probably. But things are quite busy at the moment, so mayhaps not. So enjoy life.